The next place mark on our virtual field trip through Utah after the Antelope Island place mark is at a place called Silver Lake. And so we will just go ahead and zoom in there. And at this location, students will again begin with some preliminary investigations of the location. And one of the first things that they will do is again use the image overlay tool and use the climate map of Utah again. We'll zoom back out real quick. So that they again can look and see what the climate is like. And something that I forgot to mention in the first video about Antelope Island and the use of this climate map is that if they click on this map citation, it will take them to where the map came from, and then they can see down here at the bottom what the different colors mean, so that they know, for example, that where this Silver Lake area is in the undifferentiated highlands, or just highlands to make it more simple. So again, they might have to do some preliminary research about what a highlands climate is like, so that they can get an idea and learn some facts about where Silver Lake is before they decide to predict the animals and wildlife that might be there. So after they use that climate map, I'll go ahead and uncheck that. And then after they use that climate map, they will work to compare the climate of this location to that of Antelope Island, and kind of again do what they did before and make some predictions to see maybe how they think it might be different after they've learned what the highlands climate is like in comparison to a steppe climate. And then students will also use the 360 cities tool here, and there are again two locations that they can use here, and students are free to use either one of them. So we'll just go ahead and click on this one first, and kind of the same thing as with Antelope Island, they will just be able to look at what Silver Lake looks like and kind of get a feel for maybe what kinds of animals they might think live here, or the plants and wildlife and things like that. They might also have been to somewhere like this, so that can give them an idea of maybe some of the wildlife that might live there. And then there's another 360 cities over here. And again, this one is just a way for them to go ahead and do some research and investigations before they actually make their predictions about the wildlife. And then one other thing at this location that they will be able to use is a video of some footage from Silver Lake. So if they click on this place mark, the video for some reason wouldn't show up and wouldn't play on here, so I just put the link to it. And so if they click on this link right here that says Silver Lake video, they will be able to go and watch about a 4-minute clip that shows them what Silver Lake is like, and kind of like the webcam idea. It shows them even some animals that are actually there, some wildlife, things like that. And so some of the questions that I might ask at this point in the field trip are how are these animals different from the ones that they saw before, and what makes these animals live here as opposed to somewhere like Antelope Island. And then this activity will conclude with students making a Venn diagram to compare the animals and plants that they found on Antelope Island at the beginning with the animals and plants that they have found at Silver Lake, so they can start to see those differences. And so that is our place mark number 2 at Silver Lake.